Yeah, hi, I'm Karthik from Gears and Gear Drives. I'm the managing director of this company. And we are in the space of linear automation, gearbox manufacturing, universal joints, and a lot of things related to linear motion and mechanical power transmission and products. So we are about 40-year-old company. We are located in Bangalore, and this company was founded 40 years back by Sheshagiri. And now we are in collaboration, like a joint partnership with another company called powerjacks. And we're based out of Bangalore. And so SolidWorks has helped us in actually designing. We use SolidWorks for all our modeling, and our customers also use the same. So the designs that we make are easily integrated and viewed at our customers' end for vetting and approval processes. So with our customers and our vendors, and also we hope that SolidWorks will continue to be our partner in providing the required modeling softwares.
Hi, this is Akhil, working in Gears and Gear Drives as a design head. We have been using SolidWorks since 2012 for all the CAD and the drafting works. We have a total of 6 CAD licenses and 1 inspection expert license. The latest SolidWorks software has many handy tools which makes complex designs easy, and it is easy to make the drafting works. Conceptia has been with us from last 10-12 years. They have been supporting us with the drafting standards, creating the tools, toolboxes and all. And regular training has been given to us every 3 months to 6 months. And design audits have been being conducted by Conceptia.
Hi, I'm Satish Kumar. I'm working as a senior design engineer in Gears and Gear Drives India Pvt Ltd. When it comes to SolidWorks, it's a very user-friendly software, and also its gestures are very useful during our design process. It's saving our lot of time when it comes to difficult designs, and we are using SolidWorks Visualize to creating renders that will be posted in our brochures and also in our websites also. And especially I need to say about Conceptia Technologies. Their support is very good. Their monthly visits and their additional supports, it's adding our service more valuably. Thank you.